Hi, I'm Ryan Scott, owner and brewmaster at Log Tavern Brewing.
I'm Joe Fisher. I'm one of the owners here at Log Tavern Brewing. Welcome to the taproom.
I actually started brewing beer at 19 years old. I received an extract brewing kit. I guess it was kind of a gag gift at the time. That gag gift turned into a passion and a love for brewing that brought me where I'm at today.
We spent a lot of time looking for the perfect location.
Milford's a great town. It's a quaint, historic town. Historically, Milford actually had a brewery called Silver Springs Brewery, pre-Prohibition. There's rumors that the first bottled beer in America came out of Milford. Yeah, the people are great, the town's great, it's got a great small business feel to it, and everybody works together to succeed.
So, legend is that there's a Yeti that lives on the Saltkill Creek, which is right behind our property. So we thought that would be a really cool branding opportunity to kind of play with and makes for a really cool tap handle. We do a beer called Yeti Experiments where we're constantly just tweaking hops and playing with different ideas. It's New England style IPA. It's been a really fun logo. People really identify with it. They really recognize it, and the merchandise flies.
We do get a lot of crowd in for our New England IPAs, but I think we're also known at this point as the brewery where you can always expect a wide variety of quality beers on tap.
I think my favorite IPA on the list is Rye PA. It's kind of a West Coast, really clean beer, different than what you might find in most other breweries today. Hair of the Bear, our German Hefeweizen, is my second favorite. Just really refreshing. It's got the banana and the clove, and it's just right on point. Winter Warmer is really seasonable right now. It's got all the kind of warmth that you want out of a really heavy-duty winter-style beer, so I've been drinking a lot of those. For me, I think the most rewarding thing is seeing people that come in here for the first time come back with more friends the next time. They trust us that they can bring new people in and that they'll enjoy it as much as they did.
Brewing's just been a passion, a love. My weeks at my previous job just turned into looking forward to the weekend so I could get in the garage and make beer. Right now I'm living the dream and it feels like it's in my blood.